This is just a short video about our division methodology. We're going to take the number 2,769 divided by 3. I've set out the area model for division here on this page. And we are going to start by putting the number inside the box. We're going to divide it into 3. As you remember here, we did the area model of multiplication. We put the numbers outside the box, multiplied them to get inside the box. We were composing the numbers there. In our division, we are decomposing those numbers. Our next step involves our work with multiples and factors. So what we're going to be working with here is 3 times some numbers. We're going to try to get to 2,000 to 2,700, something like that. So we're going to be working with some large numbers. We're going to be talking about this 3 times 500 to 1,500, 3 times 600, 1,800. And of course, we're going to finally get to the point where we have 3 times 900, which will give us our 2,700. Then we do our subtraction, leaves us with 69. Now here, we're going to be going after the tens place, what's in the sixth. So 3 times 10, 30, 3 times 20 is 60, and there we go, 60. Leaves us 9. Now we know right off, fact family, 3 times 3 is 9. Subtract that out. Now these numbers go on top of the box, the quotient. So we multiplied by 900 to get our 27. We multiplied by our 20 to give us our 60. We multiplied by 3. And these things get added together, 923. This mirrors our standard algorithm of division thusly. Well, 27 divided by 3, that's 9. This would be our 900 number. 27, we bring down the 6. Well, this would be 60. It's in the tens place, so 60. 2 times 3 is 6. Bring down the 9. That's in the ones place. 3. And it mirrors it like that. So this gives us the foundation, the underpinnings of the standard algorithm to be able to look at our area model and where those numbers come from.